Welcome. This is one in a series of how-to videos for IMD2. In this video, we will cover how to extract a full table using the DECOMP tool. DECOMP statements can be entered directly into a command prompt or in a simple text file as part of a larger job. In this example, we are going to create a simple text file. Using Notepad or some other simple text editor, enter each DECOMP statement on a separate line as we have already done here. Each DECOMP statement has four main parts. The first is the path to the DECOMP tool. Next is the path to the IMD product to be extracted. Then the select statement. And last is the path where the output is to be saved along with the name of the output file. The select statements in this example will pull full tables. So select what data, in this case star or all the data, from what table. In this example, vFreight, vFliss Packaging 2, and vFliss Packaging 3. When all of the desired DECOMP statements are in the file, save as a batch file, give it a meaningful name, and close. From here, open a command prompt and browse to the location of your recently saved batch file. Type the name of the batch file and press Enter to run the job. You'll see some status as each of the statements process. DECOMP jobs will vary in time to completion as each table can vary greatly in size. Because of this, we will pause the video and pick up at job completion. Welcome back. As you can see, the DECOMP job has completed and there is status regarding each statement in the file. You'll also notice the resulting specifically named extracts in the output location we identified in the DECOMP statement. These files can be opened in Notepad, Excel, Access, or imported into some other database. Inside, you will see the full dataset with the data fields at the top in pipe delimited format. And that was how to extract a full table using the DECOMP tool. Check out our other videos on how to use IMD2. Thanks for watching.